Today we shall deal about wavelength and angular wave number. The wavelength lambda of a wave is the distance parallel to the direction of a wave propagation between the consecutive repetitions of the shape of the wave. It is the minimum distance between two consecutive troughs or crests or two consecutive points in the same phase of wave motion. As shown in figure 1, it is a plot of equation y बराबर a sin k x minus omega t plus phi for t बराबर 0 and phi बराबर 0. The equation reduces to y बराबर a sin kx. By definition, the displacement y is same at both ends of this wavelength, that is at x बराबर x1 and x बराबर x1 plus lambda. So a sin k x1 बराबर a sin k x1 plus lambda बराबर a sin k x1 plus k lambda. This condition can be satisfied only when k lambda बराबर 2 pi n, where n बराबर 1, 2, 3 dash dash, since lambda is defined as the least distance between points with the same phase. इसलिए n बराबर 1 and k बराबर 2 pi by lambda. K is called the propagation constant or the angular wave number. It's SI unit radian per meter or radian per meter. Now we shall deal about period, angular frequency and frequency. As shown in figure 1, a graph of the displacement of the string element at x बराबर 0 as a function of time as a sinusoidal wave. Sinusoidal wave. The amplitude A is indicated. A typical period t measured from an arbitrary time t1 is also indicated. The element of the string at that position moves up and down in simple harmonic motion given by equation y बराबर a sin kx minus omega t plus phi, with x बराबर 0, y बराबर a sin minus omega t बराबर minus a sin omega t. The figure 1 above is a graph of this equation. It does not show the shape of the wave. The period of oscillation t of a wave is defined as the time any string element takes to move through one complete oscillation. Applying on both sides of this time interval, we get minus a sin omega t1 बराबर a sin omega t1 plus t or minus a sin omega t1 plus omega t. This can be true only if the least value of omega t is 2 pi or if omega बराबर 2 pi by t is called the angular frequency of the wave. Its SI unit is radian per second. The time between two consecutive plots is t by 4. Thus, by the fifth plot, every string element has made one full oscillation. The frequency nu of a wave is defined as 1 by t and is related to angular frequency omega by nu बराबर 1 by t बराबर omega बटा 2 pi. It is the number of oscillations per unit time made by a string element as the wave passes through it. It is equally measured in hertz.